Hi everyone, this is the 2003 Nissan Maxima. This is the VQ 3.5 liter. I just want to make a video to show you guys what inside this the muffler, because as you all know that this vehicle equipped with the special muffler that has supposed to have a little flap open when certain RPM, probably like 3500 RPM or so. Then additional valve inside the muffler open to allow free exhaust. So this one have a lot of miles and it's rusty pretty bad. So you see that this hole is completely gone. There's another, there's supposed to be dual pipe, but one is completely gone because it got rusty and fall off, I guess. So there's one left here. This is the bottom. It's all rusty and everything. You see, rust pretty bad. Here now this way. See, they're rusty, make hole and everything. Okay, anyway, this is what inside. You can see the hole. You can see straight through. Let me see if you can. I try to make a light so to light through, but it looks like you won't be able to see what inside. But anyway, right now it's hollow. I mean, there's nothing in there now. I try to adjust my camera best so you can see. Actually, you won't be able to see it. But anyway, right now inside hollow now, because I basically took there's a few pipe inside, and I just use my hand and pull them out. Here, this is what they look like. There are three pipes, and this is what I get out. This is what I pull out from the muffler. As you can see, I don't see the flap. You know, there should be a little flap open and close, but like I don't see it. Three pipe, they all get rusty. Here, this is one pipe. So this one I pulled out from that also. Here's another pipe. This I don't see any flap. I don't know, maybe it fall off somewhere, or maybe it's just one piece inside. There's another piece inside. I couldn't get to it. That's one right there, but it's not flat. It's not. So there's this pipe here. Rust pretty bad. There's some groove hole right here. But that's about it. Let me see this side here. Yep, I don't see any flap or anything. Again, I just want to show you guys what it's like inside. It's interesting. I'm not sure what the piece is. Anyway, but it sounds amazingly. It sounds awesome when you have it like this. It sounds really good. I mean, there's right now, like I said, there's nothing inside right now. Let me see if I can demonstrate the sound for you guys can see it. You can hear it. It sounds very good.